Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel Wake Up Bright, where I share all the things that help me live each day a little brighter. I'm BBQ and I'm on a journey to lose 200 pounds. I am in Mobile, Alabama. I just drove down here and I am so excited to be visiting my family. So I'm at my mom's. We are going over to my sister's in just a little bit. Right now, I am headed to the gym, so let's go. Before we go to the gym, I thought I would show you how I got down south. I am going to visit my family in South Alabama. So I have a long drive ahead of me. Thought about flying, but decided driving would be better. And it's gonna be a little adventure. So this is the start of my trip home, and I will see you guys on the road. So I wasn't on the road long before I realized that the Buc-ee's in South Carolina has opened up. And so I had the not so bright idea of stopping by. I didn't realize how close to grand opening I think it was, but you'll see how this went. Oh, Buc-ee's was a mistake. It was so busy. I think they just barely opened. I didn't realize how close it was to opening, but I've never been in a situation where there are that many people in just a gas station. So I'm like, maybe if I happen upon, there's a Buc-ee's down close to where my family lives. If I happen upon it, great. If not, I think it's far in the future before I will ever attempt to go to a Buc-ee's again. But we still have a lot of miles to go. I packed watermelon, I packed meal prep, I packed drinks, I packed water, I packed stuff for this part of the trip and then stuff for the next couple of days until I get to the grocery store and figure out our food situation, because I am not going to eat out. I might go out a few times, like maybe once with my mom, once with my sister for her birthday, but I am limiting the eating out on this trip. This is a quality time trip, and it is a working out, staying on track trip for me. So there's just too much travel. And then next month we're going to Utah, and Utah will not most likely be a super on track trip for me. So I want to reach over 100 pounds down before I go to Utah. That is my goal. And that's more aggressive than I have been. And I feel like I'm never successful when I vocalize a goal online. It's like setting myself up for a failure. I think I just put pressure on myself and it just backfires. But I am not gonna give in to my weakness. The weaknesses that I keep giving into. I did notice today, I'm pretty excited. So just looking here, I don't know when this happened, but like my jawbone actually goes out further than my neck over here. It's a pretty big non-scale victory. So anyway, I gotta get back on the road. We still have a lot of miles, like 600, 500 miles to go. So it's interesting when you start really seeing like major changes. And I feel like recently there have just been some big shifts in my body composition, and I kind of caught it in this mirror. I guess I haven't really been looking at myself as much like in a mirror, and it just made me really happy. So, and I was the only person at this rest stop when I arrived. So hello. I don't know what's going on with my face, but I have like red whelps. It's a fun time. I am about to eat some watermelon. And I'm listening to an audiobook, but I'm gonna eat the
Do you understand?
I'm gonna eat the watermelon before I head back out. I'm so ready to be there. I'm so close. So close. And I just spent like $5 a gallon for gas, which makes me feel a little sick to my stomach. Gas is so expensive. But it's worth it to see my family. Yeah. Alright. I love you. Alright. I'll see you in a little bit. This is the tiniest Planet Fitness I've ever been to. So like I thought there was a World's Gym here, and because there's a World's Gym in Fayetteville too, and I thought they were like across the street from each other, but apparently Planet Fitness bought out World's Gym. And so anyway, we're gonna go get our workout on, so. So I actually got a workout split program, and I'm pretty excited to start it. And on this day, this specific plan doesn't call for this, but I went ahead and did a 15-minute warm-up on the stair mill. I did level 5. And I don't know if that's great or not, but I know that it sure makes me sweat and sure gets me warmed up. And then after I did my stair mill, I did some dynamic stretches, which we'll see are dynamic movements with bands. And then I went downstairs, and I didn't film a ton downstairs because there were just a lot more people. And then I came back upstairs to finish it out. But I'm really enjoying the stair mill. It surprises me. It surprises me that I'm enjoying the stair mill. I think that I have to pay attention, but then I also can like do other stuff, and I don't feel as comfortable doing that on a treadmill. I don't know why. Because it's kind of like the same concept. So, this is the dynamic stretching. They didn't have, I should have brought my band. I literally picked it up and I was like, no, the gyms will have bands. So I just wrapped it, and then I stood maybe a little wider. I do wish I was coming down lower on those squats. And then this was weird, but it still worked. I just looped them around and did it that way. I twisted it in the middle, and it still, I felt it. So to me, if I feel it, then it's waking up those places. And that's all that I need, really. So then I went ahead and did a little bit more squats. I probably should have sped this footage up a little bit because it took me a long time to get the band on. And so then I did just some squats. And again, I wish I was coming down lower. Little footage that I took. I did some, what did I do? Reverse lunges with that. It was a 60-pound barbell. At Planet Fitness, they don't really have barbells. They have Smith machines, and then they have those little tiny, I don't even know what they're called, but they're like the straight bars and easy curl bars, but they're small. And then after that, I went upstairs and I did a calf raise machine and a couple other machines, and I didn't film that, but I did film this over in this little corner because nobody else was really in the shot. But these little pulse squats, again, that I could have been lower. And then when I'm messing with my phone, it's like the workout thing that I got. It has a timer, so you start the timer, then you do the number of reps, and then you stop the timer. So that's what's happening there, why I keep going back to my phone. It kind of looks funny. But yeah, so and then I did a few more exercises. I did some core. All right, I am done with my leg workout for the day. I need to go wake up my mom. grill this time. And then I'm gonna head over to my sister's. They're gonna do a barbecue now, and then we're gonna do some walking. So, pretty excited, and I'll see y'all on the way across the bay. I wasn't gonna change, but I think I have to. Like, this is gross. I don't understand what's going on. So I'm gonna eat this and then I'm gonna throw a different t-shirt on. But we're literally just gonna we're gonna eat some barbecue, or just chicken that's barbecued, but without barbecue sauce. And I'm gonna go for a walk with my sisters and my mom maybe. She wants to come, and that's it, so. Post-workout meal is complete. I'm just gonna eat it really quick.
Hi, cute little Lulu. Hi. What's you doing? You just looking at me? You just looking at me?
We are about to head to my sister's. My mom is up, she wants to drive. I thought I'd be driving, but I'm not.
And we're taking this one with us. Say hello, Lulu. This is Lulu, her's tiny. You're so tiny. You're so cute. Are you the cutest, tiniest little thing? Yes, you are. You're so sweet. I love little Lulu.
All right, well, I will see you on the way. So we are headed across the bay to my sister's, and that actually is a little bit, it kind of sounds like I'm down south and everything is really, really close together, but everybody lives a little ways apart. So, I mean, they're close together compared to me because I'm 10 hours away. But so there was a little bit of driving. That's why I went ahead and did the post workout, like the meal prep, and it was just my lunch. Like, I hadn't eaten lunch yet, and I went and worked out, and I'm like, if I don't eat something, then I'm gonna be so grouchy, and I'm gonna have, if I feel any anxiety or anything, it's gonna be a lot worse. So, and sometimes in traffic and new places and things, like, well, this isn't a new place, but I don't drive here regularly or ride here regularly. Like, I just need to be calm. And so I went ahead and had that post workout / lunch, and it was perfect. That pineapple chicken, I did do that in a meal prep video. I feel like it's better after it's been frozen and reheated. So if you make it, just know that it was still good when I first made it, but it's even better now. So
take me a bite. Ooh, I like it.
Hi, little mama. Hi, little mama. Little Lulu.
She like Toby, he gets around. Poor Boo Boo. She determined. All right, come on. Well, we just left my sister's, and she made really good chicken. It was really delicious. Both of my sisters have to work really early in the morning, so we went ahead and left, and we didn't have time. We didn't have time to do our walk, so I'm gonna have to do some walking on my own when my mom and I get back over to her neighborhood. So I'll see you in a little bit, but we're at this little park, and it's really beautiful. So I'll show you all. Alrighty, I don't understand why I have all of this red. It's just the rosacea, I think. Anyway, my mom and I are gonna go for a walk. We just got back to her house, and there's her little dog. So, it's so weird to be walking with all the pups, and my mom's little pup is so tiny. She doesn't walk like this. But anyway, y'all can't even see me.
Today it was a good day. So yesterday I got to spend the whole day with my sisters and my niece, and then today I spent doing a little work stuff, and then my mom and I were able to go over and enjoy a little barbecue session with my sisters, and it was a really fun time. I ended up just doing a few miles, and then I did do 1 full mile of intervals where I kind of jogged a little and then I walked. In these Hokas I can do it, but if I'm not wearing these Hokas, I can't do anything like that. So it was a good workout.
Got back from my walk and did a little editing, and now I'm gonna eat some blueberries and cottage cheese and watch a random show with my mama. So I hope that you enjoyed my little vlog. I hope that the next few days I'm able to get some good workouts in, and more importantly, spend some good quality time with my mom, with my family, my sisters, and wish my brother was down here. But yeah, so I will see you in the next vlog.
Thanks for watching with me, and if you would like to follow along on my journey, click that subscribe button, and remember, we are worth doing the work that we need to do in order to figure out what we need in order to be successful. Love you. Bye.